So we all know the feeling that you're in a rush, but you still need to get your calories in. So here are 3 easy to make and quick bulking snacks. The first one takes a little bit more time in the beginning, but then you have it set for multiple times. And it's to make a large amount of some sort of bulking shake. Um, you can try out your own recipes. There are a lot of recipes online. Just make sure you try to get in some peanut butter or some dairy product like yogurt to get the calories and the protein in, and some fruits, for example. And you can make a very delicious shake. You can make a lot the first time, and then you can put it in glasses, and you have like 4 or 5 glasses of your shake. Then you can put it in your fridge and you can drink it whenever you want. So whenever you're in a hurry, you can grab a glass and drink it, so you can still get your calories in. And the second one is for when you really don't have time. I usually do this when I'm really in a rush. I just grab a bowl and I throw in some peanuts, or if you have a little bit of a higher budget, some variety of other nuts, and just some fruits and a bit of cheese, and I just snack on that. And um, it's very high in calories because of the nuts, and it's also very healthy because of the fruits and the nuts. It's good for your testosterone, and with the cheese, you can also get some protein in. So for the last one, you need to grab 2 pieces of bread, toast them, then grab some peanut butter, put it on your 2 pieces of toast, put slices of banana on your toast, and cover it in a bit of honey. It's very delicious, especially good if you eat it pre-workout, because it has a lot of carbs, a lot of calories. So these are the 3 bulking snacks. If you're in a rush, I hope it will help you. And see you next time.